Alright guys, the computer for the LS is actually under the dash. Let me move this. This is actually not even installed. I just put it there so I can get some more room, so I can get to the wires. Put this on top. You can actually see there's the computer right here. It actually goes behind, a little bit above the radio right here. It's gonna be right here. You can see a little bit right there inside there. And you can see it right here to the top. Once I get the dash cover, it'll cover it up. And it'll still have, it's not gonna be too crowded in there. You can see a little bit in there. So it shouldn't heat up or anything like that. Which I don't have a problem with it getting hot. I just didn't want to put it in the engine compartment. I felt that it would be a lot cleaner if I had it under the dash. So let's see if I can see it from the bottom. See, it's way up there. So if you guys are trying to do an LS swap and you guys want to use the original, I'm pretty sure you can use different ones from a different model, but I'm going to use the one that it came since I already had the truck. This is the one from the Suburban, but I'm pretty sure you can probably even go pull these off at the junkyard too. But if y'all want to use this with the LS swap, like mine is a 5.3, and you happen to get the original one, I recommend you give yourself some slack on the wiring. Here I actually gave myself about 14 inches of wire, and then that way you can just trim them all, or it gives you a little bit more area to move it. And I thought it was a little bit harder to do it, but basically it's gonna have 1 orange, 1 green, 2 blacks, and 1 purple wire. So it's going to be a total of 6 wires. The 2 black ones are going to be your ground, so you can actually either solder them together, or you can, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them together, join them, and then put 1 single wire into a ground. And then your orange is going to be your constant 12 volt battery. So this one you don't want to put it to your ignition because you want it to have constant 12 at all time. And this is the ECM for the LS. And I'm gonna put on here which wire or which pin it is on the back of the actual computer, or the ECM or the LS. So basically that's it. That's all you're gonna have to need. The purple wire, I'm not too sure, but I don't think I need it. I want to say maybe it's for the, I might have gotten confused. I know one of these is the one you need. I think one of them was connected to your body control module, and one of them goes straight to the ECM. So once you get it, find a good spot to mount it, and let me go ahead and start stripping back some of the plastic on the wires and getting ready to install it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go under the dash. I already marked my wire. It's actually gonna be the green wire. I'm gonna put an obd port. That's the one that's gonna go connected to the green wire on the actual port itself. So now that I found the wire and it is connected to the back of the computer directly, normally this one would run to a body control module, and then from there we'll go back to to probably like either a splitter or something, and then it's gonna end up going back to your obd2 port. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna connect it to there, and then probably what I'm gonna end up doing is mounting my port somewhere down here. I don't know yet how I'm gonna mount it. Either in the back. I don't know if I want it like that. So it's not that. Not sure yet. But once I connect it, I'll see how much room I have, or because I'm not planning on extending these wires, so I hope I have enough to reach wherever I want to put it. Let me go ahead and mount it, and we'll see if it actually picks up anything once I connect it to an actual code reader or scanner tool. And there's plenty of spots under the dash where you can have there's wires that are constant 12 volts, so you can just connect this to any one of those as long as it's constant 12. And the same way with the ground, there's lots of ground wires, or you can just ground it yourself. So let me go ahead and do that. I won't record none of that because it's pretty basic, and try not to make this video too long. Alright guys, so I'm about to test see if my obd2 port that I installed will actually read the PCM. So let me go ahead and connect my reader, and this is a Bluetooth one. Just have it hanging in front of me right here. You can see it's getting it. Let's see if it actually picks it up. Go to auto detect. Remember, the motor is off a 2001 or 2002 Suburban. So let's see what it picks up. I'm pretty sure that's the VIN number. So mine is without. And there you can see it's a 2001 Suburban. It's a 5.3. Yes. See, my battery's actually a little low right here. And here I can check whatever system I want to go into. So as you can see, it was actually not going to be the green wire. I don't even have the green wire connected. I had connected the green wire first, but that didn't do anything. And it's actually the purple wire, which is the number 2 wire in the back of the obd2 port. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Hopefully I can be posting some more videos real soon. That way I can get more stuff done on the truck. And thank you for watching, guys.